Hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I am your host, Reaper of Hugs. Today we are going to do an unboxing and initial review of the Steel Series Arctis Pro wireless headset. I'm really excited to test these things out in the future and give you guys a review. Today we're just unboxing and giving some first impressions. Obviously, I want to charge them all the way to make sure the battery life lasts on them, and we'll just see everything that comes in the box. If you guys enjoy this, be sure to subscribe down below and ring that bell for future videos. I've been looking forward to these for a while. This is really important for me because I have a Go XLR mixer, and these are supposed to work with the Go XLR mixer as a wireless headset. Getting a wireless headset with a mixer can be a little bit complicated, and these are supposed to work. So like I said, we'll get that review video in the future to see how they do, and we're just going to open this up now. Oh, beautiful. Solid packaging. Let's see. Included in this box are mobile audio cable, optical audio cable, mobile charging cable, USB audio cable, the power cable, wireless transmitter with 2 batteries. The 2 batteries are a really cool addition about this. So if you have one bail out on you in the middle of gaming, hop in the other one and you can keep on listening. Dual RF wireless lossless lag free 2.4 gigahertz, Bluetooth V4.1, range 12 meters or 40 feet. Battery life is 20 hours or 10 per battery, which is important. About 10 hours of battery life per battery. So if you got a long session of gaming, you'll pretty much have to charge it right afterwards every time. The headphones, nominal impedance 32, frequency response 10 to 40,000 hertz, total harmonic distortion under 1%, sensitivity 92 decibel. Whoa, I actually don't know what that is. dBSPL, that's a Google thing. Microphone type bi-directional noise canceling, frequency response 100 to 10,000 hertz, and sensitivity is negative 38 dBV. And I use my own mic, so I'm not worried about the mic here. I just want that high quality sound. These are clean. Clean and simple on the packaging. I love it. I've never actually worn the Steel Series. This is a really big purchase for myself and the channel, but I have seen that this band right here is actually extremely comfortable. Of course, I looked up some reviews myself prior. There were some great content creators making them. You got some rotation for you. Pop that off there. Let's see inside. On the inner ear right here, it'll have an R or L for directions. Your microphone is right there, which actually I do believe extends. Easy to maneuver up and down if you're a gamer, in and out. If you need the mic, that is. Ooh. Ooh. These things are very comfortable. So for those of you that don't know on the channel, I was currently using some wired HyperX's. I've had these a long time. They are comfortable. They did okay with the sound quality. They were a pretty cheapish pair. I actually don't remember the exact ones I got, and they worked a long period of time. Great job. But the wired is kind of a hindrance because this is as far as they go for me. So if I ever want to get up and move around while I'm streaming, it makes it really hard. These, I think that band up there is just extremely comfortable. You can also notice on the back, it has right here, get out of there, see if that helps with it. Got a plus or minus function. I think that would be a mute unmute. Yep, mute unmute function. Got your cable connections in the very bottom, followed by the mic, and that's all on the same left ear cup. The right ear cup holds the power button and the Bluetooth functionality right there. Give you guys another look at these beauties. Look at this. I believe these run about $330 right now. They're pretty expensive headphone, but again, if you're gaming a lot, you do a lot of streaming, you're constantly wearing headphones, I think these would be a quality investment. I'll obviously make that decision a little later during the review. The ear cups are extremely soft. I don't feel like I'd have any problem having a long gaming session wearing these, and that headband right here is actually exceptional. I saw reviews that it was good, but I wasn't sure. So we're going to keep opening up the box real quick. Shiny. Here we have the Steel Series transmitter. It's connected by Dolby Audio. Let me get that. All your connections right along here. And you've got a very simple noise function. And I'd have to actually read the instructions to figure out what that diddly do does. The little button right there. Really simple. Pretty easy bass to put anywhere you might need. Again, I'll probably have to have this pretty close to my mixer because it's going to plug into the mixer. This is the big thing with the XLR. It should have, I'm going to get the line in and outs confused, but you're going to need to use one of those for the Go XLR mixer to plug it in. It will be a connection. So basically it will transmit from the mixer into the headset. Probably got that order correct. Last but not least is the accessories. Again, instructions. Probably not gonna look at this. This is actually really nice, kind of stupid, but nice. They actually label every single one of these just to make it idiot proof for people like me, because I am pretty dumb sometimes. Power cable, mobile audio cable, USB audio cable, and I think, let's see, optical audio cable. Spare battery. Batteries are pretty small, and I'll have to double check. I believe they just go in one of the ear cups, and it looks like it comes with a little foam for the mic if you need it. That would be everything that is included in the box for these. Let's take a closer look at the headphones again. So this would be the left ear cup right here. This lifts right out. It's got a little notch on the bottom. And it is magnetically connected, and you can see a little bit different design here behind it. Ooh. The right ear cup has the exact same, but this is where the spare battery will be located. Easy to pop in and out, so that way if you're gaming, this little guy runs out of juice for some reason, you're ready to listen. I really like how these ear cups just onto there. Yeah, guys, that's about it for the unboxing and the initial review for these Steel Series. I think the feel is amazing. I'm really hyped to hear the sound quality. Obviously, I can't do the review because I want to listen to these guys for a couple weeks, make sure I get them set up properly so I can teach you guys how to set them up on the Go XLR as well, and little things like that. But if you guys have enjoyed the video, and I hope you have, be sure to subscribe down below, ring that bell for future videos, and again, thank you guys so much for checking out the channel. It means a lot to me. Again, these are the Steel Series Arctis Pro wireless headset. I'll leave a link down below for them, and they're about $330, guys. I'll let you know if they're worth it in the future.